Good morning. Hello everyone. Electricity is the lifeblood of modern living and electricians are the guardians of its flow. You ask me why should you create this channel? I am answering to all because I am an electrical student and it helps to electrical and electronics engineering student. And in this YouTube channel, I am not doing only classes. I am also share notes, question papers, relevant answers, and I am also told important exams related to triple E. So please subscribe and support. And you ask any subject related questions papers and notes, etc. So we don't waste the time. Tomorrow I will start the first class. Please support and subscribe. Thanks to all.
This video we are going to introduce control system. Control system is very important topic for many technical exams like GATE, ESE, university related exams. In this video we are going to introduce what is CS, means control system. How many types of control system we are having, we discuss here. Topic control system. First of all, introduction to control system, classification of control system, types of control system. They have two types of control system: open loop control system, closed loop control system. Then open loop system consists advantages, disadvantages, real-time applications. Then closed loop system also consists of advantages, disadvantages, real-time applications. And difference between open loop and closed loop system we are also discussed in this class. Introduction to control system. A system is a combination or an arrangement of different physical components which act together as an entire unit to achieve certain objective. Listen, a combination of or arrangement in a different physical components which act together as an entire unit to achieve certain object like system, that is known as also system. Then control system. It controls means to regulate, to direct or command. Hence the control system is an arrangement of different physical elements connected in such a manner. So it is to regulate or direct, to command itself or some of other system like classroom lamp. It is known as control system. Okay. Next, plant. The portion of the system which is to be controlled or regulated is called as plant or process. Next, okay, controller. A element of the system itself or external. So next, controller. A element of the system itself or external to the system which is controls the plant or the process is called controller. It consists of an element of the system itself or external of the system which is control. Then it is the process. It is called as controller. Next, input. It is an applied signal or an external excitation signal applied to the control system from external energy source in order to produce special output is known as input. Okay. Then output. It is the actual response obtained from a control system which input is applied to it. Then disturbance. Disturbance is the signal which tends to adversely affect the value of the output of the system is known as disturbance. Okay, if the disturbance generated with the system itself is called as internal disturbance. Means the system consists internal disturbance means generated in itself of the system is known as internal disturbance. Okay. Then the disturbance generated outside the system which is affecting the adversely is called as external disturbance. The system disturbance occurs outside the system is known as external disturbance. Okay. Next, reference input. Next, plant. Output, controlled output. Okay. Plant is a system. When input is applied to the plant, then the output becomes. Okay. Then classification of control system, it is very important to examination also. Okay, it is consists of 11 classification of control system. Okay, then depending upon hierarchy, it consists of 5 sub topics also or types. Next, open loop control system, closed loop control system, optimal control system, adaptive control system, learning control system. Okay, then second one, depending upon the presence of human being as a part of control system. Okay, manually control system and automatic control system are the subtype of the second one, second classification. Okay, then third one, depending on the presence of feedback, it consists of 2, open loop control system and closed loop control system or feedback control system. Okay, then fourth one, according to the main purpose of the system, it consists of 5 sub types. Next, position control system, velocity control system, process control system. Next, temperature control system. Next, traffic control system. Then fifth one, according to the method of analysis and design, it consists of 2 sub types, linear control system and non-linear control system. Okay. Then sixth one, depending on the parameter of the system of remains constant or vary with time. They have consists of 2 sub types, time varying control system, time invariant control system. According to seventh classification, according to the type of signals, they consist of 2. Okay, continuous data controller system and discrete data control system. B, AC control system and DC control system. Then 8th classification becomes depending on number of open loop poles, type 0, type 1, type 2 systems. Then 9th one, depending upon the number of input and output. A, signal input signal output system. B is multiple input and multiple output system. Okay. Next, 10th one, depending on the order of differential equations, first order control system, second order control system. Next, depending on type of damping, under damped, undamped system, critical damped system, over damped system. Okay. Then third topic becomes types of control system. They have divided into 2 types. Okay, open loop system and closed loop system. Next, open loop control system, a system in which output is dependent on input but controlling actions or input is totally independent of the output. Hard changes in the output of the system is called open loop system. This is the black diagram of the open loop control system. It is the very important topic to examination. Okay. First of all, reference input, controller, process, plant, controller, output. This is actuating signal. When the input is applied to the controller, then it is controls and continue the process plant and it becomes the controlled output. Next, RFT is then known as reference input. Okay. Then process plant. Okay. Control output. Next to advantages. It is simple construction. Okay. Easy to maintain. Simple design. Hence economical. Less stability problem. Okay na. Next, disadvantages. Next, disadvantages. Inaccurate, unreliable. Such systems gives inaccurate result if there are variation in the external environmental. Okay. Next, similarly, they cannot sense the internal disturbance. To maintain quality and accuracy, okay, of the control system is necessary. Then, okay, listen. Real-time applications of the open loop system. I am explained with automatic toaster system because it has consists of black diagram also. Okay. Listen. When the desired time is applied to the relay or control, when the power is input, it is comes. Next, eating process of bread. Then actual toast is comes. Means when we have a certain time, then the output becomes correct. Okay, listen. Okay, if the person wants to reach for a book and the table position of the book is given as a reference feedback signal, okay, from eyes compared to the actual position of the hand, then error signal is given to the brain and manipulate this error, and it is gives to the signal into the continuous process. Okay, then we are approaching the book. It is the example or applications of the closed loop system.